What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Best Family TV.
Howdy, people.
Today we're having Shane's barbecue.
Yeah!
But we ain't got no barbecue. We got chicken wings.
We got chicken wing.
And fries.
Because nobody wanted that pork.
They have barbecue chicken.
Alright, we're going to say our prayers first. Most heavenly and graceful Father, we come to you, giving you all the glory, honor, and praise. Thanking you for another day, another opportunity to sit down and share a meal as a family. Lord, we ask that you use this meal to nourish our bodies. In Jesus Christ's name we pray. Amen.
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 What is that?
A bird.
Oh.
We got so many different sounds around here like this year.
What happened? What you got? Sneeze? Me too.
That's that
Well, people, it's been a while since I been down here with y'all.
Oh, got you.
What's been going on? I hear we got almost 50 likes or followers or subscribers.
We hit 50 today, but somebody unsubscribed, so we back at 49.
So we want to thank y'all for that.
Thank you.
We want to do this soon.
Also, seen them, they did a challenge.
Yeah. And I got sick after.
You know? What else they did? Some interesting conversation. The dog got in trouble. Man, a lot of stuff done happened since I've been here, huh?
Maybe just stick to barbecue.
Since I last been with y'all.
Thanks, because she probably smoked them instead of fried them.
That's what they do. They smoke them.
It was crispy last time I had it.
So, Courtney, what's been going on?
So, I'm in this group chat, right? And one of the people in there sent us this post about Kodak Black. He done said something else. Somebody gonna get him. And what he said was, T.I. need to sit his old self down. 45 years old, worried about what he doing. And then he said he was like, sit down before I do something to your daughter, Deja, who was 17.
Yep, wrong thing.
See, that's dead right there.
That ain't all he said.
That's death.
He said he was gonna let off in her. He said, you ready to be a granddaddy? Somebody gonna get him. He way out of line for that.
I'll go find him for that one.
That's crazy. You just don't know when to stop.
That's beyond disrespectful. Cause y'all know T.I. don't play with his kids.
He got a death wish.
I'm gonna keep my mouth closed on that one.
I said, if that's his way of getting attention, that is not the way.
You don't mess with a man's daughter and his wife.
And what you want to talk about?
So what's been going on, Jamie? Jamie?
You want to talk about Wendy?
Oh yeah. She fired her husband today.
She fired him.
She fired him.
On TV? Huh?
I don't know if it was on TV, but she fired him.
Because
She should have.
That's messed up.
After what we heard yesterday on Missy Monday.
Yeah, but you think that's true? What?
Do he
You
know?
didn't hear it.
Oh, he
What
didn't
happened?
know. Oh my goodness. It was so much detail.
What's Messy Monday?
It was on this channel.
Oh. So what happened?
You want to tell it? So what was said was there was this dude that did an interview that was supposedly his assistant or something. He He said basically Wendy Williams' husband was messing with him. Supposedly raped him, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And he went over there, he was grunting and stuff like he was high on crack.
Who, the husband?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And he was like, I don't want to say that part. You eating.
Go ahead.
It's a... Mom. Oh my goodness. Basically, he said, you know how men, they go in the back end, right?
Okay.
He said he had just got done doing number 2 and he just...
Went in?
That too. He ate the groceries.
Without him wiping?
He wiped. But the
But
fact
he didn't wash his tail?
He was throwing details.
Oh my goodness.
So he said he didn't wipe his butt.
He said he wiped, but
wiped.
he had just finished doing that. So you know it's still some residue.
Right. Well.
And he was talking angrily to him during.
Thanks for everything. So we eating.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So when you...
She must have just found out about that too.
But I thought he, the reason they were breaking up because he got a girl pregnant.
That's what they tried.
That's why they filed for divorce.
Right, so he go both ways.
But we don't know. She could have been on drugs because she found out.
Oh, Wendy?
She was probably on drugs. She had already got the girl pregnant.
That's
She
her
supposedly
second
already
time.
had the baby.
That was her second one. This
Second
is her
baby?
second. This is her second baby.
By him?
Mm-hmm.
That's why she was on drugs.
That's crazy, but... So she fired him with that.
Five.
Yep. You get somebody else.
That's a whole mess.
That's crazy, man.
But they was living off her income.
Huh?
They was living off her income.
Yeah, but
So she did all her crossing all her I's and dotting her T's.
because he gonna
For
get
sure.
alimony.
Other way around.
He gonna get alimony.
Yeah, the other way around. Straight around.
You know, but that's crazy. Well, he might not because he the one messed up. But that's still, man. Come on, dog.
Dotting the I's and crossing T's.
Either way, that's a whole mess.
A whole lot of.
A whole lot.
I know. I read something today where they were saying Wendy want to keep her matters private, but always gossiping.
She always gossip. That's
So-
what her job is.
So they said they're gonna gossip on there.
Who's gonna gossip on her?
Everybody on social media
Oh, we do that anyway.
because
I don't like those.
ain't nobody feeling sorry for her. You know what I mean?
Just like they burn them.
Which they should be because no woman should go through. I mean, okay, a man, a woman, okay. But when your husband or your wife messing with,
A whole mess.
and then their kids gotta hear about it,
Your face burnt too.
and they gonna be teased in school. Oh, why they had a picture of Wendy Williams and what's her name? The Braston girl.
Tony.
Huh?
Tamar.
Yeah, and said they look like brothers. Like people just
Why?
don't,
Because her hair short.
because they both look
Tamar
like
ain't got
men.
no hair. She shaved her head.
Let's say because they both look like men.
Tamar don't. No said.
Like these people, brothers.
I've been saying that about Wendy. That's why I said I'm not surprised when the husband messing with a man.
You thought you messed with a man all your life.
Cause she look like one.
Kodak. So that's the big talk. Kodak and Wendy, huh?
I'm waiting to see what T.I. gonna do about that. He might send somebody on him.
One of his friends might do something.
Nah, he ain't trying to go back to jail. He ain't crazy.
Shit. Over my daughter, I wouldn't deal with that.
That'll be 2 charges if he did.
Especially saying something like that.
If he do something, that's 2 charges. First of all, it's rape. She ain't gonna let him do it. That's rape and that's jail time for statutory.
Okay, but still.
That's 2 different charges.
A man is not gonna let.
Molesting.
That's why I don't understand when they be saying these old men be messing with these young girls. I'm like, where the father come from? All the men I know, they ain't, yeah, okay.
That's why I said Mayweather need to get his daughter. She keep thinking that that one NBA young boy.
Trey Young?
Huh?
Trey Young?
Oh.
You said NBA Young boy.
No, NBA young boy. That's his name.
Oh, that,
His real name Kentrell.
oh, that's who she messed with?
Floyd Mayweather's daughter.
Yeah. I didn't even know he had a daughter.
Look just like him too.
For real?
But he not claiming her.
No?
Nope.
I ain't.
Country Time, strawberry lemonade. What other?
Green Jello.
She don't like the wings. I can tell. Dope fries.
I am.
I don't like none of that stuff.
You drunk?
I'm enjoying myself.
Did you watch our video?
Not yet. I'm going local. I really don't have time. Because I'm trying to beat traffic.
I ain't telling you to watch while you're in the traffic. It's road.
I try to watch it. When I look my room.
These are not real.
Huh?
They're
You're not?
real.
You make not real jello.
They changed the wrapping.
The flavor's not real.
I just like chicken.
Me too.
It tastes burnt though.
Yeah, it's still good.
They sure are. So, that's all that's going on, huh?
That I seen. They said Game of
And-
Thrones back on.
Oh, yeah, it is. Another thing, you see, okay, that cathedral burnt down 2 days ago.
Yeah.
In one day, they got over $500 million.
I believe it. With donations.
Mm-hmm.
You know what would be funny? If it was fake. Now somebody done pocketed all that money.
They ain't fake. Because it's been all on the news.
You'd be surprised.
They said America gave them a lot of that money. People on the uproar of that because they saying we got people starving here, but they giving money to the church. I mean, to build the church.
What is
But
it? The people gave it or
no,
some
No.
organization?
the government.
I don't believe that. I
What?
believe people gave it.
Well, I mean, the United States government gave it,
I
but
don't believe
a
that.
lot of people gave too.
Yeah, I think more of the people gave.
You gotta understand, that's a part of history. That's older than the United States.
You heard they found the copper top thing?
Who?
It was like, what is it, rooster or something?
Rooster what?
On top of the thing, it fell somewhere and found it. It was still in one piece.
What's a rooster?
I don't believe that shit.
What, a rooster? Rooster?
It was like a copper.
It was
Like a carving or something. I don't know.
Oh.
like a statue.
Oh.
I don't believe
on
that.
top of it.
I don't believe it.
Well, why was it
I don't believe it's gonna fall that far and still be in one piece.
Miracles happening.
That's true.
It was all green.
They said they started already building and redoing. I'm like, wow.
Well, they can't do a lot of different. They can't do changes to it.
They're not trying to do it.
It's gotta be still the same.
They're just trying to rebuild.
It's just like the antique houses, the old houses here.
How did it start?
They said because they were doing construction and something happened, something fell. And poof.
One magic dragon. You fool?
I'm alright. I'm leaving.
You want
Go
some
ahead.
jello?
No.
She getting full though.
Because for some reason I'm gonna try. And she said that the doctor said I could do it, and I'm like, y'all must be crazy. I
Do
said,
what?
you sound just like my wife, crazy as hell.
Do what?
Supposed to eat a
calm.
handful of food. I'm like, lady, yeah.
You know how to do it?
You're
I
supposed to
said-
eat multiple
You
times.
can get a smaller
And then
plate.
she was like saying,
That's what Louise said.
you eat a handful of meal, but then you eat a lot of like protein shakes, protein stuff, drinks,
Like nuts
and
like
nuts
a
and
little
fruit.
bit
I'm
of-
like, you know how much damn nuts cost? I said, I was in the store, you know how much a bag of pistachio cost? Damn near $10. They know
You're not supposed to eat a lot
then
of
she
them
was
though.
like, well, you know you
You're supposed to
get
be like 10 of them.
cashews and
I don't think them people understand
walnut
it
and
costs
all
money
that.
to be healthy.
I said, that stuff is yes, people don't understand.
That's why we're paying $1 for a cheeseburger instead of $4 for a salad.
It's for real. It's too expensive. If we started eating regular, girl, please, you know how much money we'd be spending?
Like when you driving and you eating, like you get a thing of nuts, you can eat peanuts. You're supposed to have like 10 of those.
That's so you're supposed to eat walnuts.
And then you eat like in between. In between, like you eat breakfast, then you eat in between, then you eat lunch, and in between, then you eat your dinner.
You're supposed
But
to
you can
snack.
get 6 of them in a day.
6 what? Meals or
6 things to eat. So it's supposed to be actually 3 full meals. The rest of it
which is a
snack.
handful.
To be honest, you're supposed to eat a lot.
Not like a handful. It's like a palmful of this, a palmful of that.
So I can't eat nothing.
Sorry.
Having small hands.
Thank you. Look at my damn hand.
You gotta talk to your mom and daddy about that.
I'm gonna call.
Pray about it.
I'm gonna call a basketball player, a football player. Say, hey, let me use your hand.
Dwight Howard, he got some big old hands. Shaq.
But I'm trying to stop eating.
What she say?
You know, I'm trying to stop eating when I'm full and just eat when I'm satisfied. And then if I got
And it takes somebody else to tell you
popcorn
that.
and stuff like that, I eat. Like, you know. And you got that jello. What? I can't have popcorn?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong?
It's good.
And then
It always takes somebody else to tell you the same thing I've been telling
It
you.
took you, and that's why I started eating like that. I'm eating better. Vegetables. Could we cook some
That
vegetables?
makes me feel some type of way.
What? What?
Because I be telling you the same thing and you don't want to listen
yes,
to
I
me.
do. Why I ain't listen to you?
You don't listen to me either.
I'm listening
Mom.
to both of y'all. Man,
I'm talking about mama.
that's why I'm starving.
Because you don't want to listen to nobody.
All these
That
sauces.
spoon's heavy.
You'll sleep good tonight.
Put some more of that on it.
Farting and everything.
You can do it. I'm not going back there anymore.
Where? What?
Because I don't like their food.
I think if you had it got fried, it would have been better.
The chicken up.
don't want
I
that
like
flavor.
it.
I mean,
Because
they
it fall off
ribs
the
and they
bone.
pork.
I don't want none of that. Their ribs ain't that good either.
Oh, good to me.
Like they cutting the edges. Cutting.
Oh shoot, I ain't gonna be here anyway tomorrow. Damn, what's up?
What time do you gotta leave work? In the
I'll be
morning?
there at 3.
PM? So they got you going out? Local? So you be back tomorrow night? No.
Early Friday morning.
And then you go out again Saturday.
Saturday at 3 in the morning.
And then you going out?
It's a bunch of local stuff this week.
And if you was going out, I would've went.
How?
I would've gone with you.
How?
They don't want me to?
No, you work.
On the weekend? You said Saturday?
Oh, that's like Saturday. But see, the thing about it is
The thing about it is,
they don't work on Sunday. So
I know.
you won't. If I work, only way I'll be out to
I ain't
Sunday.
talking about
if
just
I
to
come
stay out. I'm
if
just
I come
saying to
out
go
before-
for the ride.
Oh, okay. You can go 3 o'clock in the morning.
You ain't going nowhere.
You know what I mean?
I ain't going to be riding around no Atlanta and stuff. I don't do that. I don't ride my own car through there.
You can enjoy the traffic with me.
No, I can't.
It's not fun being on the road
I
when you're not
can be
moving.
in my bed thinking about what I'm going to do next.
As far as what?
This stuff in this house.
Call that guy.
What guy?
Brian, Billy, whatever his name is. And tell him to give you some pictures, ideal, and a price.
Who?
The guy that's doing the chair and all that stuff.
That's Scott.
No.
I ain't in no rush because we ain't going to have the money to do it yet.
We can,
Once he get all once he's finished showing me the design and stuff, and we finalize the design, then we'll tell him when we wanted to start.
right, but we need a price so that we know.
We'll get the price when he finished. He got to draw it out and design it for us first.
Oh, that's scary.
What?
The paper.
It grazed my
I
leg.
seen it at the corner of my eye.
I seen this video where this girl was trying to conquer her fears. And it was simply Nessa.
What was her fear?
Bugs. She ate bugs.
So she can do it all
She
by
let
herself.
one crawl on her. She put cockroaches on her face. Who gonna do that? She ate a cockroach and threw up. She let a tarantula crawl on her back and on
Hell
her
no.
head.
But anyway, go ahead.
We got
I don't care what you got. People, let me explain something to you.
Please.
I love my wife. I just lost thought thinking about that damn octopus. Y'all better go ahead. Anyway, and I like y'all,
Please.
but I am not for nobody.
Get it
I
right.
don't give a damn who y'all eat no damn octopus.
Please.
For nobody. I don't care. You can plead all you want.
I didn't want to
Alright,
eat
it's time for me to go. Alright, y'all. I'll say
Come on,
I'm
Richard.
not doing that. Just stop. For real. Get that thing away from me. I'll throw up all on this table. That's just nasty as hell.
It is.
Eat stuff like
it look
that.
nasty, but it,
Grown folks don't. People don't eat stuff like that. Yeah, I'm saying I'm gonna throw up. Black people don't eat stuff like. Just stop. Oh God. Oh.
It don't look bad. It's not bad. You know how I ate it? I
don't
put
care how you
ginger.
eat. I don't care. Look, folks. Who eats
I
stuff
put
like
ginger
that? Who?
and wasabi.
Oh, I thought it was coming. Okay, that was just a burp. I thought it was coming. I'm still watery mouth.
he got the juicy mouth.
Yeah. Who eats stuff like this, man? No, I mean for real. Humans
one.
don't do. I'm you. Yeah,
Just
okay.
one.
Okay.
I ate 2.
You can
And
eat
I
10
ate
of-
5.
You can eat 20 of them.
She ate 5.
And you can eat 25. I'm not eating that. I told you I draw the line with certain stuff. I'm not eating that.
You need to go and get used to it. If
I don't
something
need that.
happens,
Okay.
and then you have to go out there and get your
I'll
own.
die.
He gonna starve.
I'm cut my own damn throat.
He gonna be eating grass.
Before I eat one of these, seriously, I just go ahead and die.
And then we'll just slice off your muscle of your ass.
Okay.
Come on.
And fried in bacon. It be sizzling.
I can't be no cannibal.
Y'all be talking about, ooh, that smell like good and like ham. Put some salt and pepper on that.
Why is that everything you burn is smell like ham? Somebody burning wood. Who grilling? They're burning wood in the backyard.
But
smell like ham.
that's another thing. How do you do that? I mean, I understand survival, but that's just
They did it on that
You remember
game.
No, they did on that
on
picture.
plane.
Yeah, on
People
that
was
plane.
plane.
Yeah, that true
People
story.
was dying.
Oh yeah, I remember
They
that.
were cutting people's tail fat
Yeah,
No, they ate this dude legs,
and was
and he was
frying.
still alive.
on the fire.
This what happened. They was in this house. This family had took them in, and they drugged this dude named Mark with morphine and stuff. And they had him in his back room and chopped his legs off. He was still alive. Legs, he just bleeding out, and they don't serve them his legs.
See, that's just crazy.
That family.
You know when people go, look, he's starting to sweat. You know when people go over there to California to model and all that stuff, and then they end up waking up somewhere with one kidney or on ice,
Black market.
putting their kidneys on black market. You ain't gonna try one?
No,
Please.
Not
No.
with some ginger.
I wouldn't try it with sugar and honey.
You know how I did it?
I don't care.
I just didn't look.
I put ginger
Okay.
and wasabi in there, and
Okay, that's nice. That's so nice.
Just
I'm
one.
glad you did it.
just one.
I'm
Richard.
not doing not a half of one,
Richard, just
not
one.
even a quarter one,
You ain't gotta eat the head.
not even a. Y'all better stop. Listen. All right, people, we want to thank you. I love y'all, people. Thank y'all for coming.
If when we
Y'all
hit 50, you gotta do
y'all
it.
can do. You can hit 100,000.
Somebody subscribe. We need one person.
No, you don't. I'm telling you. No, you don't.
Come on.
I'm not doing that.
Come
That's
on,
just-
right
people. We
there.
just need one
Okay,
subscriber.
Go ahead.
Come on,
Go
Richard.
ahead. Go ahead.
Come
Richard,
on,
don't
just
be a-
one.
I'll be whatever you want to call me, Janice. That don't matter to me.
Just one.
Who sells these things?
What, Kroger?
Kroger need their ass whooped.
We down to 49.
We
Come
down to
on, we
49.
just need one subscriber.
Kroger need
One
their
subscriber.
man. I don't, Janice. Okay, don't sue. Don't let them. All right, y'all let up. Okay,
We got 9 viewers.
get sued all you
We got
want to.
10. That's not up to date.
We might have 50
And
already.
I'm not doing that. Come on, move that for real, cause that just looks nice.
Come on,
I'ma
babe, you
have,
gotta
I'ma
do
have
one.
greens of that stuff. I'm not Janice.
Just
Stop.
eat a tentacle.
Just
I'm
eat
not-
one.
okay.
Just one leg.
You had calamari before.
No, I didn't.
You have.
It was fried.
That's good
And it
though
was
because
real.
it's got your
And it
teriyaki
was
sauce
real.
on it. It's got teriyaki sauce on it.
Please.
No, come on,
Come
y'all.
on,
Stop.
Richard.
Right. Listen, I gotta go. My stomach hurt. Y'all getting on my
Come
nerves. Y'all getting
on.
on my nerves now, for real. Leave me alone with that. I'm not eating that stuff. I don't do that. Look, I don't even know what I'm talking about. That's crazy.
Come on, you can do it.
Janice, stop. Seriously.
Just one.
I don't care if it's 101. It could be.
I did 5.
Just eat a tentacle. That's how I started. Just one. Come on, just eat a tentacle. Just one.
Come on, Richard.
Squidward tentacles. Just eat one. He wants something.
What you want?
An octopus.
He resting
Can't
his
have
face.
Give him an octopus.
He's like an old man. Look his lip.
What you want? You know, mommy was mad at you today, right?
What he do today?
He was on my chip.
Again?
That's why it's
Ooh,
turned
Rickster.
They got mad at
You been on mom's chair.
I don't know if it was South Carolina or whatever. But it was it had to be South Carolina.
Oh, we gotta take you out.
It was Burger King. The guy had a gun. And you could hear the cops telling him to put the gun down, put the gun down. And he wouldn't do it. It was a lady, she was in the way. The cops, you could hear the cops telling her to get out the way, move.
She didn't move.
She moved, but then they said the guy lifted up the gun.
Just it looked like he was gonna shoot.
and they shot. And people is doing the uproar. Now, I'm not condoning police because when the police kill somebody, murder is murder. No ifs and buts about it. But understand, police are human too. That's just a job. All police are not bad. If I was the police, I'm going home to my family every night. So I'm going to do whatever I have to do to get home. Them people did what they had to do to get home. I'm not saying that guy was going to shoot him. I don't know what that guy's intention was. I'm not him. But if the cops got a gun and they telling you to put a gun down or don't reach for something because you know that they nervous, and you can tell a nervous cop. You know what? I'm done. Hey, God, I want to thank y'all.
Come on, we're
Y'all have a good
listening.
God.
You get the story?
Have a good one. God bless
Come
y'all.
on.
No, yep, goodbye.
Just one.
I'm not doing that. I'm serious.
What?
I'm serious. I don't do that. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not.
That's it. I'm serious. And the thing about it, if they playing, right, but they don't understand.
You just spit on me.
Something just
They
came
don't
across my
understand that I dream of this stuff, and it just. I'm serious, man.
Come
That's
on,
just
Richard.
nasty. I'm serious.
One.
head. Just one of them.
Just bite the tentacle off.
I know people that I. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Oh.
Come on, Richard.
Stop, for real. That's just nasty. Oh.
It smelled like teriyaki.
Oh. Move that thing, Jan. Seriously. Look at the head on it. Oh, that looks like a bunch of fat.
It ain't
It's
fat.
not. It's not fat.
I don't care what it is.
It's not
Babe, just try one.
Jan, I'm not doing it. Now stop. Seriously. That's just. Oh
Just
my.
bite the tentacle
That
off.
poor thing. Why did they do that thing? That's an animal. Why would you
We just ate
animal.
chicken.
Why would you do something like that to something like that?
We just ate a chicken.
And Chinese people, that's probably Chinese stuff. Because it got teriyaki on it.
We just ate 20 chicken wings.
Why y'all eat the head?
I couldn't.
Okay, y'all eat the head, not eat the tentacle.
The hell no.
Okay, then that's the same
Just
thing.
No,
one
you eat the
tentacle.
No.
tentacle.
Eat the head.
Just
See, look at
one.
this.
Eat the.
Come on, babe. Let me whisper something in your ear.
Mom, stop. Excuse me.
Smell fishy. Come on, babe. Eat just one.
Just one.
Dennis, stop for real.
Bite it.
I can't.
He's
I'll
mutated.
throw up. And look how she just playing with this
Playing
damn
with
thing.
him.
Look like freaking. Oh God.
Come on.
Y'all eat the head, now eat the tentacle.
No.
Okay then.
We already ate.
Eat the head.
No.
You ain't eat the head.
No.
You eat the head, I eat the tentacle.
No. You eat the tentacles. And
Eat
then
the head.
I eat a head.
Okay, eat the head.
No, you eat the tentacles first. Because I already ate some.
Come
I'm about to
on.
throw up. You know, we have foxes back here. I'm about to tone y'all out for real. I'm done.
Yes,
And you know, it's a shame.
The other night.
It's a shame
Yeah,
for real that they are really trying to make me eat these things, and they not. Look at them
You
things.
ain't got to eat both of them.
I mean, no, seriously, just look at that. I gotta take my dog out.
No,
She's
we
fine.
won't eat that octopus.
So you can eat it and then chase it with the stuff.
Swallow it like a
Come on.
pill.
Come on, come on, come on. You ain't going. You
Go
coming?
ahead. Go potty and stinky.
Come on.
Go ahead.
And we wait.
And we'll be here. Put it in that glass.
He gonna throw that whole cup away.
So,
Just bite it one time.
I'm not biting that.
Just like this.
I'm not even doing
Do it
that.
like this.
I wouldn't even kiss it or touch it. Y'all need to move that. I'm gone. I'm tired. It's 8. Damn, it's almost 9 o'clock. Thank y'all for watching us.
I miss Grey's Anatomy.
We appreciate it. You got it taped.
No, it was Wednesday. You missing Empire.
We got it taped.
I'm not missing Start 9.
We want to thank y'all. Please continue to support us. Continue to subscribe. We want to get y'all to, I can't even touch something.
Touch
Is
it.
this a spoon?
I can't.
Just bite the
try-
tentacle.
See, if I do it, it's gonna scoot towards you.
We
So
kind
can
of
you
try.
put it in
We
there?
trying to. We tried to get to at least 60 people.
So you went from the 50 to 60.
Yeah.
We gotta get to 50 first.
Come on, just bite it. That's how I am with roaches.
Come on, Daddy. Come on.
Come on.
said
Why you
that-
break those in?
Can't bite it.
Oh God. You know what? Seriously, all jokes aside, y'all gonna bust hell wide open for doing what y'all doing with them things. Them animals.
These are
We
not
just ate
animals.
chicken.
They're mammals.
And y'all ate it.
We just ate chicken.
They was dead. It ain't like we killed them.
Now. Okay, you know what? Leave them in the refrigerator.
No.
Cause I'm gonna get some worms. And we all gonna have
Who
some.
gonna eat worms?
No, you going way past what.
That's something in the dirt.
No, worms are protein.
Well, this is protein.
Yeah.
This is whatever you want it to be.
Right.
It can be what you say, vegetables.
I was trying to see his face.
It can be vegetables or vegetables. Get your ass off my chair!
I'm gonna choke you out myself. Cause it get on my side.
Didn't I tell you to stay off my chair? We just had that conversation today.
Got his ears shot back.
And now he's swallowing.
What's wrong with him? That's the second time. He getting bold.
I'm getting tired of him.
Got caught. That's the second time on camera.
Put him in timeout.
Let him sleep in his cage tonight.
Put him in timeout.
You put him in timeout. You saw him just like I did.
No, because if I go down there, I might hurt him. And I'm just going to go upstairs and act like I ain't even see that.
Put him in his
Because
cage
he know
tonight.
what he did.
Mm-hmm.
He knew exactly what he did.
Don't let him roam free.
Because you know what because the thing is, he know he getting that chair, but he got in that chair
Mm-hmm.
to see if you was going to say something.
He just got up there like he's supposed to be there.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
He know what
But you should have seen him yesterday. It was a whole 7 minutes before we realized that's where he was.
Mm-hmm. Just laying there in the middle of the chair. You didn't watch the video. You didn't see
I
it.
don't want to see it. But if I catch him in that chair, we're going to have fun.
You just saw him, so it's a
I'm talking
problem.
about-
I bet money you come down in the morning, he'll be there. If it's
And
light
I
outside.
bet you he sleep. When he leave out from up there in that room, I bet you he come down here and lay on this chair.
And then he don't want to look at you because he know what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm. Put him in his cage tonight.
Look how he looking.
I
Let
know.
him sleep in there.
I know how he looking.
He's not even turning.
No, he's not going to.
You know exactly what he did.
His ears is back. He's listening like,
He
yeah,
listening.
we know y'all talking about me.
Mother cutter.
Just let him sleep in his cage.
You want to sleep in your kennel? Huh?
He gonna learn. And put the
Don't
vacuum
be
right in
looking
front
at me
of
like
him.
that.
Come on. I put the vacuum right in front of it.
You saw that? He was finna haul ass. Go to your kennel. Go to your kennel.
That's torture. I don't say put him in his cage and then put the vacuum right in front of it.
Go to your
Don't
kennel.
even lock it.
Go. Go on. Go to your kennel. Your kennel. You know.
Hard-headed puppies.
Go close it.
You know better. To get in that chair.
Okay, guys.
I know we didn't do our outro.
Pull that.
We had Shane's and it wasn't that good to me.
I liked it.
But I think
it did
Courtney
taste burnt though.
and Richard might have liked it. I don't know.
I like how it fall off the bone.
But mixer just pissed me off.
It was pretty decent. But where you get this from, babe?
It's the same one. It's just flipped over.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if they saw it this time, but he got caught again.
The reason I turned it over is because the reason I use the light brown side because you can't see when he put his mouth on it. You can just wipe it off and it's gone. If he do it on that side, it's gonna leave a white film.
You can still see it when it's wet.
So everything was good for them.
I mean, it was decent. It was.
It's not something I will go back and get. Well, guys, you got anything else to say? To sum it up, T.I.'s gonna whoop somebody's ass.
I really don't think so.
I think you gonna send somebody on.
Something all in me is just saying he's not.
Something's in you. The only thing that's gonna be in you is those octopus.
Well,
Stop.
Okay.
you know, I really want to
We're
know.
gonna say thanks for watching.
I want to know what the hell do they be thinking about when I ain't here? Oh, there, let's get Richard. We gonna get.
You wanna know how this happened? We was at Kroger getting something to eat. We went to go get milk and something else. But we was over there by the sushi bar and we saw it.
That's the way we went around.
And who saw it?
She saw it.
Why you snitching?
Okay, you.
Well, if it wasn't you, who else would have been?
Okay, but you.
It could have been.
But why you had to grab
Casper.
it? Why you had to grab it?
She told me to grab it.
Oh, she did. But why did you grab it? Let me ask you that for real. Why did you?
Because I wanted to look at it.
Huh?
I wanted to see it.
Okay, you pick something up, you look at it, okay, and put it back down.
But you know what? I didn't buy it.
But you put it in the basket.
Yeah, because she told me to.
What made you get that? I just really want to know.
Because you said that I had to do some challenge.
And I think it was the octopus. We talked about it.
And I did mine.
Okay, so now we got to do ours. When we doing ours?
When I order them.
Okay. That's the
I
challenge.
bought a 2-pack.
That's the
$6.
challenge I said I would do. I ain't never say if somebody.
I didn't tell you to do a challenge.
If somebody
I
can
just asked
go
you
back,
to taste it.
If somebody can go back and say Richard said he gonna do an octopus.
No.
Or
Nobody said that.
As
We just want you to try it because I tried it.
Richard.
It was her challenge.
Richard, I just wanted you to try it.
I'm trying to think. See, certain people, seriously, I know a lot of people, like, since I've been with Janice is a person, she would try anything. She will. One time. And since I've been with her, I have tried things that I said I would never try. Never.
List them.
Never.
What have you tried that you said you never tried?
Oh, when we was on that trip, them frog legs.
What frog leg?
When we was on the boat.
Yeah, that creeped me out too when I tried that.
I don't remember.
I know
I
you
had
don't
at a Chinese
remember.
restaurant.
Oh my God.
What was
I don't
we at?
want to throw. I'm about to throw up right now.
I don't like frogs. They creep me out.
The frog legs is just like fried. Tastes like fried
No,
chicken.
that shit didn't taste like fried chicken. A lot of vegetables that you like. Oh come on.
Cabbage. You said you didn't like cabbage.
The
You said you didn't like cabbage.
the sprouts, the Brussels sprouts. I love cabbage.
They nasty.
But you said you didn't like cabbage
No, I know.
because that nobody didn't cook it right for you.
Well, they cooked it too soft. But anyway.
And I showed you that how I cook
they
it, and then
boiled
you
it.
start liking it.
And I had tried sushi. I have never in my life would even think of trying that stuff.
You tried the tempura. You never
I
had
don't-
sushi.
Okay,
Sushi.
tempura, sushi.
You know the
raw
sushi-
meat.
sushi-
It's two different things.
I don't eat
It's the
sushi
same
either.
thing. I don't eat nothing that says su. Look, if
Sushi
it's
is the rice.
if it's a su, she ain't eating it. Okay,
Ew! Control that.
so I don't give a damn if it's raw, cooked, medium, boiled, fried, succotaed, laid to the side. Sue, she don't eat it. Okay? So that's what I'm talking about. But I tried it. Now, it's certain things we draw a line to. That's one of them. I remember as a kid, my mother said, "You're going to eat this liver." I said, "Okay. I can show you better than I can tell you." The next morning, I'm sitting at the table asleep. That liver's still there. I ain't eating that shit. I don't eat
What
it.
kind of liver was it?
If I cook you beef liver,
I
you wouldn't eat
don't.
it.
Okay.
No, what kind of liver was it? Because
Okay.
it's different.
Okay. Listen to what I just said.
What kind?
If I
It
cook,
can be beef, chicken, raw fish, catfish, dog, cat, liver, whatever. I just said liver.
I mean, because it's different.
That's the
though.
whole. No.
It is different.
No.
I thought you liked
When
chicken
I said
liver.
liver, who?
I eat chicken
I don't
liver. Me
eat
and Dante
chicken
do.
liver.
When I said liver, that means chicken liver, dog liver, cat liver, human liver, fish liver. Liver is liver.
I mean, because they got different.
We don't mess with it.
Because chicken liver
Okay.
is softer than beef liver.
Fish head,
She used to cook it like cube steak,
not doing it.
beef liver.
I
She never
cook-
cooked chicken
I can
liver.
Goat.
cook beef liver. You like beef liver?
I'm not doing
Don't
it.
bring that stuff back in his house. I don't
What
want
else?
no more.
Oxtails,
Oxtails is amazing.
You
I'm
used to
not
say
doing
that you
I'm not doing it. So,
you had oxtail.
stop. No, I didn't.
Yes, you have.
No, I did not. I don't eat them. So I'm
But you
not.
have.
No.
That's
Okay.
right at the
Okay.
butthole of cow.
You have had oxtail.
See, that's just
It is. It's the tail.
okay. And yeah, let me ask you, cause I'm a truck driver.
It took me a while to realize it.
I done seen a cow. Cows to me is some of the nastiest animals in the world. A cow can be eating and lift up his tail and just be shitting and pissing. How you do that eating? Bro, you eating.
Well, to be specific,
No. You eating and the tail flies up and it's just coming.
you never heard of people eating while they're on the toilet.
That's just nasty. That's, you know what?
I ain't gonna say no names.
No, a radio person said he sent an email to one of his buddies that was on the radio, and he was asking, "Did you ever eat while you on the toilet?"
That's nasty.
Who does that?
I ain't gonna say no names.
I don't give a damn.
You know who you are if you see this.
Who does that?
Go tell it.
What are you eating?
I ain't gonna tell it.
What was he eating?
I don't remember. It was a while ago.
A piece of gum?
What
Uh-oh.
the name start with?
He was eating meat.
I tell it off camera.
He was eating dinner.
I think so. It was a while ago. It was some years ago.
That's crazy. See that? See?
I ain't saying
That's
no
what I'm saying.
names.
That's what I'm saying.
I done seen videos too. They,
Who does that?
I mean, they could be in a rush. They
I
gotta
don't
get
give a
somewhere.
damn.
They taking a dump. They
I don't
hungry.
care.
That last meal coming
I
out while
don't
they put
care.
another one.
I don't care. That's just nasty.
But they hungry.
Alright, that's
I don't
nasty.
care. They can go and then eat. Well, eat and then go. Not do them at
Some
the same
people
time.
ain't got time. Got to multitask.
Like I said, a guy, I'm in the bathroom, truck driver, he got his hot dog in his mouth, just holding it while he going to the bathroom. Oh, that's just nasty.
That's
Then
different. If
then
you're in
he
public,
took it out. Then he took it out of his mouth, went to the sink, put it back in his mouth, washed his hand, and then I'm like, see,
No, if you in public, that's nasty. I can see if you at your house.
I
though.
don't know, that's still nasty.
It's worse if you're in public.
What's the difference?
Because you know what's been in your bathroom.
I
who's
don't
been in there,
care, but you
can
on the
clean it.
toilet.
But it's public.
But he wasn't in the toilet. He was in the urinal.
That's still nasty. You in the bathroom.
But you're in public, it's worse.
Food and bathroom, especially if it's going in. Now, if it's food going out, all that, it match. Food going in the bathroom, don't match. So, it's just ridiculous, man.
You mean matching like ham and burger?
No.
Milk
Like bacon and eggs.
Like bacon and eggs?
Yeah. You know. Food.
Peanut and butter?
That's yeah. Going out, in the bathroom. Going in, not in the bathroom. There's some nasty people.
So you never drank water while you were sitting on the toilet?
No.
I have.
Who does that?
I got thirsty.
Wait till you get out.
I couldn't. It was there.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
I'm talking recently. I
Mm-mm.
got thirsty.
Mm-mm. Have you ever been to the bathroom and you went to wipe and the tissue broke? And you got it on your finger? you can't get up to wash you can't get up to wash your hands because you still doing it. And you wipe it off and smell your
Oh, who do that. That's nasty.
That's something he would have done.
Hey, you talking about us?
Smell your finger.
Hey, you might as well just eat that octopus.
Who don't smell it? I don't smell it. That's nasty.
You just be like, damn.
Remember
Remember? Remember on
No,
Friday?
I don't remember.
I'm not editing this out.
Remember on Friday when he threw the drawers on the straw and he smelled it first? Oh.
He had skid marks in his drawers. Debo dirty self.
That's nasty.
So you sniffed it?
No.
Yeah, he did.
You did. Because you wouldn't ask that question.
Nah, but it went in my nail though. And I couldn't get it out till I got up. But after I washed my hands, I smelled it to make sure it was all off, and it wasn't. I had to wash my hands again. That was just, I was like, damn. I was like,
Stop it!
Now see, what I would have did was, if that happened, I just reach over on the sink.
you can't.
I'm find a way and clean my hands off.
You just suffer until you get off the toilet.
Y'all nasty.
See, our sink is close to the toilet, so I can do that. But if it was at my daddy's old house, I had to wait. So it was like halfway across the bathroom.
Y'all need to stop it. Alright, guys.
Or you take a laugh of this and it come out like water and it splash back up on you.
Oh my God. Yeah, I had that happen.
And you don't
That's
wipe
the
it
worst.
all off.
That's the worst. How we always get on this topic?
I don't know.
Talking about feces.
Okay, guys. Did you enjoy the food?
No.
The food?
It was good. Yeah.
Did you enjoy it? I did.
It was fine.
Jello
I mean,
was
they
good.
could have cooked it a little harder.
No, they
Ain't no
could have cooked
cooking
it,
hard.
but they had what
They shoulda fried
messed
it.
up with is when they burned it. They had too much char on it.
Well, because they charcoal grilled it.
It's nasty.
They should have put it on some aluminum foil and then cooked it.
Or on one of those black things.
It was good though.
On the grill. But we're gonna end this video.
It was
Thank
nice
you for
talking to
all the
y'all.
subscribers.
I hope y'all stayed the whole time.
Make sure you
Wait a minute. Comment the poop emoji if you watch this. The whole thing.
On the finger. Put the poopy emoji on the finger.
it won't end up that way.
Poop emoji and the one finger like this.
Yeah.
That finger emoji. Or put a toilet emoji. I think there's one on there. And then they got a tissue roll.
Put a poop plus a finger plus your nose. A nose. Yeah. Yeah. But go ahead, Jen.
Let's see how many comments we get. Okay, say it again. You can tell I'm not a girly girl. 'Cause I talk about this stuff openly.
Go ahead, Jen.
I forgot.
Thank y'all for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you
Give us a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share with a friend, family member, binge watch, follow us on Instagram. Links in the description box below.
thanks for watching.
Peace.
Make sure you comment.
And put the emojis.
Y'all nasty.